Looking for ways to earn extra money from home? Welcome to the hustle and bustle of the modern digital world, where opportunities are just a click away. In this video, we're exploring 5 side jobs you can do from home to earn that extra cash. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or someone just starting out, these options are suitable for a wide range of people. We'll delve into the ins and outs of each job, offering insights into how to find gigs, tips for showcasing your skills, strategies for marketing yourself, and even tools that can boost your productivity. From freelance writing to virtual assisting, from online tutoring to social media management, and finally to remote customer service, we've got it all covered. Each of these roles offers a unique way to leverage your skills and time to earn money from the comfort of your own home. So, stay tuned as we dive into the first job you can start today from the comfort of your home. The first job on our list is freelance writing or copywriting. This is a flexible and lucrative side job that you can do from the comfort of your home. But how does one get started? First, you need to find freelance writing gigs online. There's a plethora of websites where you can find writing jobs such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also look at job boards specifically for writers like ProBlogger and Blogging Pro. Now you've found potential gigs, but how do you stand out? That's where a portfolio comes in. A portfolio is a collection of your best work, showcasing your writing skills. It can include blog posts, articles, reports, or any other written content. You can create a simple website or use platforms like Contently or Journo Portfolio to build your portfolio. Next, let's talk about pitching to clients. A well-crafted pitch can help you stand out and land the job. Make sure to personalize your pitch, showcase your expertise, and explain how you can add value to the client's project. But what if you don't want to pitch? There's an alternative: freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and bid on jobs. However, competition can be fierce, so make sure your profile stands out. Moving on, let's talk about writing niches. The writing industry is vast, and you can write about almost anything. Popular niches include technology, finance, health, travel, and lifestyle. Find a niche that interests you and where you can provide unique insights. Finally, let's discuss tools and resources for improving writing skills and productivity. Grammarly and Hemingway Editor can help improve your grammar and writing style. For productivity, tools like Trello or Asana can help manage your tasks and deadlines. Writing is a skill that can open doors to numerous opportunities. It allows you to express your ideas, share information, and persuade others. Plus, it can be done anywhere, anytime, making it a perfect side job for those looking to earn extra money. Now, let's move on to the next job. The second job you can do from home is virtual assistant work. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Well, the tasks can be as diverse as the clients you serve. You might find yourself managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, or even handling social media accounts. Essentially, as a virtual assistant, you are there to lighten your client's workload. Now that we know what a virtual assistant does, let's discuss where to find these opportunities. There are several online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where businesses and individuals are seeking virtual assistants. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of networking. Reach out to professionals in your circle and let them know about your services. Moving on to the necessary skills and qualifications, being a virtual assistant requires excellent communication, proficiency in certain software applications, and a keen eye for detail. Some clients might also prefer assistants with experience in specific industries. But don't be disheartened if you're a beginner. There are plenty of resources and courses online where you can hone your skills. A critical aspect of this job is time management. Balancing tasks from multiple clients can be challenging. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and deadlines, and don't forget to allocate some time for breaks. You're only human after all. Lastly, let's talk about software and tools. Familiarity with programs like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, or project management tools like Asana or Trello can make your life as a virtual assistant much easier. There's a multitude of software out there designed to streamline processes and boost productivity. So there you have it. As a virtual assistant, you can provide invaluable support to businesses and individuals. The flexibility, variety, and potential for growth make this an attractive option for those seeking to work from home. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit, honing your skills, and delivering stellar service to your clients. Next, we look at a job that leverages your knowledge and expertise. Our third job is online tutoring or teaching. In the world of the internet, knowledge is truly power. And if you have a certain set of skills or expertise in a subject, you can share that power with others while earning some extra cash. Whether you're a whiz at mathematics, a language aficionado, or a coding guru, there's a market for your knowledge. So where do you start? There are numerous platforms available for online tutors. Websites like Chegg, Tutor.com, or VIPKid connect educators with eager learners. They handle everything from payments to scheduling, making it easy for you to focus on teaching. But what about qualifications? While some platforms may require a teaching degree, many others simply require proof of your proficiency in the subject you wish to teach. This could be a diploma, a certificate, or even just a successful completion of a proficiency test. So, don't be disheartened if you don't have a formal teaching background. Now let's talk about creating engaging lessons. The key here is interaction. Use quizzes, real-world examples, and interactive exercises to keep your students engaged. Remember, online teaching isn't a one-way street. Encourage questions, facilitate discussions, and provide constructive feedback. Your students aren't just looking for a lecture, they're looking for a learning experience. Lastly, let's touch on marketing yourself as a tutor. Start by creating a compelling profile that highlights your qualifications and teaching style. Use social media to your advantage. Share success stories, offer free mini lessons, or post helpful tips related to your subject. Word of mouth is a powerful tool in the tutoring world, so don't underestimate the power of a satisfied student. Online tutoring or teaching allows you to share your knowledge with others while earning. Now, let's delve into the digital world. The fourth job is social media management. In our digital age, this role is more important than ever. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice and face of a brand, business, or even an individual on various social platforms. This involves crafting posts, responding to comments, and most importantly, creating an engaging online community. But where do you find such opportunities? Well, they abound on both job listing websites and freelance platforms, and sometimes directly on a company's career page. Don't be shy about reaching out to businesses you admire. They might just need your expertise. Now, managing social media is more than just posting photos and writing catchy captions. It's about understanding your audience and knowing the best time to engage them. For this, you'll need tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, which can schedule posts and provide insightful analytics. But how do you stand out in this field? By building a personal brand. Showcase your knowledge, skills, and experiences in a unique, authentic way. This could be through your own social media accounts or a professional website. Lastly, keep an eye on the evolving trends in social media marketing. Algorithm changes, new platform features, or shifts in user behavior can all impact your strategies. Being adaptable is key. Social media management is a dynamic and exciting field. Let's move on to our last job. The fifth and final job is working as a remote customer service representative. Now, this is a role that's gained significant traction in recent years, with companies like Amazon, American Express, and Apple, to name a few, actively hiring remote customer service reps. What's required for this role? Excellent communication skills, empathy, and patience are key. You'll also need problem-solving skills, as you'll often be the first point of contact for customers facing issues. Now, how about the training and onboarding process? Most companies provide comprehensive training to equip you with the knowledge you need about their products or services. You can expect a mix of virtual training sessions, resource materials, and possibly a mentor to guide you. Your primary responsibility will be managing customer inquiries. This could be anything from answering product questions, resolving complaints, to troubleshooting issues. You'll need to be adept at handling these inquiries professionally and efficiently, irrespective of the channel they come through. Speaking of channels, as a remote customer service rep, you may need to balance multiple customer service channels. This could include phone calls, emails, or live chat. The ability to multitask and manage your time effectively will be crucial here. Customer service is a vital sector that offers many remote opportunities. Let's wrap things up. Those were our top 5 side jobs you can do from home. From freelance writing to virtual assistant work, online tutoring, social media management, and remote customer service representation, there's a wealth of opportunities out there just waiting for the right person to seize them. Each of these jobs offers the chance to capitalize on your unique skills and interests while providing the flexibility to work from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a wordsmith, a tech-savvy multitasker, an expert in a specific field, a social media guru, or a people person, there's a side job out there that's the perfect fit for you. But remember, success won't come overnight. It takes time, dedication, and consistency. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, build your skills, and unlock your potential for earning extra money from home. Remember, the key to success in any job is dedication and consistency. Start today and unlock your potential for earning extra money from home.